Hey guys, Joe here, working on a Norcold refrigerator today. Customer complaint is that it doesn't stay running on gas. Right away when I got here, I could tell that they don't service the refrigerator. You can see signs of it being on fire here and everything. So what we want to look at is we want to look inside. We're going to take the screw off. Now, this is definitely something that you should hire a professional to do. This video is for more to show you guys of what happens when you don't service your refrigerator. So, as you can see here, there is a ton of buildup in here, and all that stuff gets inside the burner, and then it stops working properly. And as you can see, the flames have jumped all over the place on this thing, and this stuff that's inside here actually started its own little fire. So, and they're like hard chunks of plastic that are inside here, and I was trying to figure out where the plastic came from, and then voila, drip tray right there was melting plastic into the burner, and plastic will burn. So, you know, these are things that can happen when you're using your RV. So you should have your RV refrigerator serviced at least once every 6 months to a year or so. So, you know, you can get a technician to come out, service your refrigerator, and by servicing it, I mean, you know, he can inspect your burner, he can check your igniter, and look for any signs of rust buildup on the burner, and he should be cleaning that off, and, you know, getting rid of any debris that's always inside here, and it's always inside here after use of, you know, several months. So this is something that you can have serviced, and it's basically preventative.